So the question is, simplify sine of cot inverse of cos of tan inverse of x. So let's simplify this question. So first of all, we take this part of our question, that is tan inverse of x, and we convert it into cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x square, so that the terms become cos and cos inverse. For this we take a triangle. Let's consider triangle 1. In this triangle, we take a right angle triangle. So we know that the value of tan is sine by cos. So this is our base angle, and we have the value of sine over here and the value of cos over here. So we have tan inverse of x. So this is our x and this is our 1, that is cos. So we get x and 1. So using the hypotenuse theorem, we find out the value of hypotenuse as root of 1 plus x square. So thus we get the hypotenuse as 1 plus x square and the base as 1. So the value of cos is 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Substituting that in our equation, we know that the value of tan inverse x will be equal to this value, that is theta, the base angle, and cos inverse of this value will be also equal to this theta. So if we substitute the value also, it won't make a difference. So we substitute this value in our equation. First, sine of cot inverse of cos inverse 1 by root of 1 plus x square. We have a cos and cos inverse over here. So we know that the value of cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x square is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Any term, that is cos inverse of any term, that is if this is x, we get cos inverse of x as x. So thus we get this equation like this. Then we substitute that in our equation, we get sine of cot inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Now again we have a cot inverse term, so we can make it as sine and sine inverse for easy simplification. For this we use a triangle 2. In this triangle, this is also a right angle triangle. Here we have the value of cot inverse 1 by root of 1 plus x square. So here we know that the value of cot is cos by sine. So this is our base. This is our base angle. So the base is 1 and the opposite angle, that is opposite side, that is root of 1 plus x square. This is root of 1 plus x square. Using hypotenuse theorem, we find the value of hypotenuse as root of 2 plus x square. So substituting that, we convert cot inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x square to sine inverse root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 plus x square. We substitute that in our equation, we get sine of sine inverse root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 plus x square. We have already seen that sine of sine inverse of any value, for example this is x, we get the value as x. We use that formula here and we get sine of sine inverse of root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 plus x square as root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 plus x square. So our final answer is root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 plus x square.